again one more important question. Okay, let A is equal to Q by Q, where Q is a set of all rational numbers defined by A comma B, binary operation C comma D is equal to AC comma B plus AD for all A comma B, C comma D belongs to A, and A is what? Set of rational numbers. Now what we have to find, what we have to prove, sorry, what we have to find? We have to find the identity element in A, the invertible element of A. This we have to find. Okay. So now let's start it. Now for the starting point, we want identity element, that is E, and invertible element of A. Okay. So let's write it. Let capital X is equal to A comma B, capital Y is equal to C comma D, these things A, B and C, D. Okay. Where what we have to prove now, where X, Y belongs to A, or we can write it A, B, C and D belongs to Q. One and the same thing, all can belong to A, all can belong to Q. Okay. Now number one for the identity part. Okay. Now number one is this one, the identity element. Now let E is equal to X comma Y. Now E, X comma Y be the identity element, in A. Now when E, XY is the identity element in A, then according to definition for the identity, what we can write? We can write X binary operation with E is equal to X is equal to E binary operation with X, where for all X belongs to capital A. Okay, we get capital X for all X belongs to capital A. Now we are having X comma E. X comma E is equal to X. Now first of all let me tell you X star E, sorry. Now X is what? X we have written A comma B. Now we can write it A comma B and binary operation with E. E is what? X comma Y. X comma Y. Now what this becomes? When it was AB with CD, it is AC and B plus AD. Now we are having AB plus XY. In place of C we have to put X, and in place of D we have to put Y. So what we are getting? In place of C we have to put X. So we are having AX and B plus AY. Okay, we are getting AX and B plus AY because X is C and this is D. Okay, so now we are having, this was just for you, so I am just rubbing it from here. Now you can write it X star E is equal to A comma B, because capital X we have taken as A comma B. Okay, now to this, now you can write it, it is AX B plus AY is equal to A comma B. Okay, like this. And similarly for this part X star E, we got this thing. And now for E star X, now for E star is binary operation. Now again it is AB, and now what E star X, when we are using this term, what we are getting? We are getting now X A comma Y plus X B is equal to A comma B. Okay, we got these two things. Now let's prove it. Now for this part we are having AX is equal to A and b plus ay is equal to b. Okay, here ax is equal to a, x is equal to 1 and b goes to that side, b minus b. Okay, it is 0, so you can directly write it y is equal to 0. Okay, simple. Similarly for this part now, xa is equal to a and y plus xb is equal to b. Y plus xb, yeah, okay, it is equal to b. Now we are having from this part y is 0. Okay, so here we can write it now, x is equal to 1 and again y is equal to 0. Okay, how 0? Because we can write it now, y plus 1 times b is equal to b. In place of x we are putting x is equal to 1, so we are getting y is equal to 0. Okay, simple thing, simple calculation part for this part. Now we have finished x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. For the second part also x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So we can write it now, the identity element in A is 1, 0. Okay, the identity element in A is 1, 0 with respect to binary operation star. Okay, so now first part is over. Now let's move for the second part. Now similarly for the second part, here we have taken let E is equal to xy. Now let us take it another thing, let f is equal to m comma n be the inverse in A for all values of m comma n, where m comma n belongs to Q. Okay, now for the inverse part, what are the conditions? Now what are the conditions for the inverse part? We are having now x star f. Now x star f is equal to what? Identity element E. Or we can write it, this is equal to f star x. Okay, now we are proving, what we are proving? This part with this one, what is the value for the inverse? And with this one also, what is the value of the inverse? Now what is x? Again x we are having a comma b and with f is what? We have taken m comma n. Now again AB is a and b as it is. For CD we are having m and n. Now where is C? We are going to put m. Where is D? We are going to put n. Okay, simple calculation. Now we are having here, we can write it x star f is equal to 1, 0 identity element. And what is x star f now? We are getting am b plus an. Okay, C for m and D for n. Am b plus an is equal to 1, 0. Okay, now we are having am is equal to 1 and b plus an is equal to 0. So what is now, what we are having? M is equal to 1 by a and m is 1 by a and n is what? N is equal to minus b upon a. Solving this part. Okay, now second condition is what? F star x is equal to E. Now for f star x, again f is what? Now f is mn. now in place of A and B we are going to put M and N, and E as it is 1 comma 0. So what we are having for F star M related with this part, we are having MA and N plus AB. MA N plus, in place of A we have to write M. MB is equal to 1 comma 0. Now let's solve it. MA is equal to 1, A is equal to, now here we are having MA is equal to 1, M is equal to 1 upon A. Similarly, N plus MB, N plus MB is equal to 0, and what N is, now we are having same, N is equal to minus B upon A. Okay. So now how many answers we are having? For the first part, the identity element in A, we got 1 and 0. Okay. So finally what we wrote here also 1 and 0, the identity element in A is 1 comma 0 for left hand side and for right hand side both. Similarly, invertible element of A, is what? M is equal to 1 upon A and N is equal to minus B upon A. Similarly, this part also same. Okay. So here we got the answers.